Yeah, I'll be saying I don't need sleep, it feels like I'm
So you want to install Beat Saber, free, cracked, whatever, with mods. Pretty simple. You have to join my Discord first, because there's not a lot of other places where you can get this cracked from, and it doesn't steal your IP and stuff. So yeah, just get it from my Discord. You can search from the search bar up here, or you can just type on the drive file right here. But yeah, I'll just say Beat Saber cracked with mods. So yeah, you just go over here, click on that, and then it'll take you to this file right here. Now you want to download both of these things. Both of those files. And once you download both those files, you should get something that looks like this. Beat Saber and Mod Assistant. Now Beat Saber, it's pretty simple. It's legit just Beat Saber. I didn't know how to take off my user data from it, so you might have all my favorites and stuff on it, so sorry. But yeah, this is just Beat Saber. With basically all the DLCs unlocked. But yeah, what you want to do from there is go to here, Mod Assistant. This is only if you want to download mods. If you don't want to download mods, you're basically done there. Just launch Beat Saber. But yeah, if you want to install mods, will come up with this pop-up. All you want to do is click on OK. You'll get this little pop-up right here, and you're just going to go to your directory for Beat Saber, and it should say couldn't check for updates, blah blah blah. I agree. You now can use the mods tab. Now once you are able to use mods tab, all you gotta do is select all the mods you want, install or update. Now if you want to install songs and blah blah blah, all that stuff, you have to go to options, enable one-click install. Now you can just click on something and click yes, and then it'll allow whatever. Select like Beat Saber. You have to click on one click and then Beat Saber. And when we go to the Beat Saber website, Beat Saber, and we find a song that we like, you just have to click on the cloud, one click. And when you do that, always allow, and then open URLs, and then you should be on your way. If you enjoyed this video, consider to like and subscribe. Helps a lot. Enjoy your gaming. If you want a more up-to-date or Quest version of this, because I do have the Quest APK, so then if you want to play modded, all that good stuff, BSBF, cracked, Beat Saber on your Quest, I got the files for that. So if you'd like that video, comment, like, or whatever, I don't know. It's 5 a.m. I need sleep.